Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you will be fine. I'm your science teacher with lecture number 5 of unit 5. Today topic is life cycle of plants, page number 47. Life cycle of a plant. The plant start life as a seeds which germinates and grow into a new plant. The fully grown plant produce flower. The flowers produce seeds in a fruit or seed pod. The seeds germinate, sprout to produce new plants. The life cycle of a plant consists of 6 different parts. Or the life cycle of a plant includes 6 steps. Now, what is life cycle? The series of changes in the life of an organism, including reproduction, is called life cycle. वो चेंजेस जो कि एक ऑर्गेनिजम्स की लाइफ में आती है, इट कैन ग्रो, reproduce and then die. This is called the life cycle of an organisms. What is organisms? Organism is an individual plant or animal. The life cycle of an organism may be started as a seed or an egg, and then it can grow into an immature organism, either immature plant or immature animals, and then become adult. This changes in the life of an organism is called life cycle. Now, what is reproduction? The process by which new organisms are produced from their parents. वो process जिसमें new organism produce हो, पैदा हो from their parents. Organism may be plants or animals. The life of a plant, the life of most plants start out as a seed. Seed has a seed coat to help keep them safe. Seed coat is the outer covering of the seeds which helps to protect the seed or the seed coat helps to protect the embryo. The embryo is the small baby plant which is present inside the seed, and this embryo can grow into a new plant. So the seed coat helps to protect the seed from drying out or from damaging. What are the conditions for the seed to grow? Seed need water, soil and nutrients to grow. When these conditions become suitable, the seeds begins to grow. The second step of life cycle of a plant is germination. What is germination? Germination is the process in which a new plant is produced from the seed. In this step, the seeds suck more and more water and it gets bigger and bigger. It begins to grow. This is called germination. Now, after germination, the third step is seedling. Next, a little root grows into the soil and a sprout grows into the air. The sprout takes in sunlight, nutrients and the air. The seed which germinates from this seed, a little roots grow into the soil which sucks the water, and the sprout is a little shoot or a little stems which grows upward to take in sunlight, nutrients and air to make own food by a process called photosynthesis. A plant is called seedling, and at this part of life, seedling has a few new leaves. Young adult. Now the seedling, this is the fourth step of the life cycle of plant. Now the seedling grow into a young adult. The root grows deep into the soil. The stem becomes stronger and thicker. The leaves get bigger. The seedling is an immature plant with a little shoot and a tiny roots. Now this seedling become young adult plant. and the roots grow deep into the soil to suck more water and nutrients from the soil. The stems become stronger and thicker and the leaves get bigger. What is the function of the leaves? The leaves can make food for the plants and the stem can give support to the plant, support or strength to the plant. The fifth step of the life cycle of plant is adult plant. What is an adult plant? A plant is an adult when it stop growing. जब एक plant की growth stop हो जाती है, then it become an adult plant. The adult plant can grow flower and this flower will grow into a fruits which contain a little seeds. The seeds grows and a new life cycle begins. An adult plants can grow a flower. The flower will grow into a fruit and inside the fruit the seed is present. When the seed is dispersed from the fruit, then it can grow, it can germinate and a new life cycle of plants can begin. Either the seed are present in the fruit or maybe the seed is enclosed into a seed pod. Let's review the life cycle of plant. The first step of the life cycle of a plant is the seed germinates. Most of the plants start life as a seeds. When it germinates, an immature plant is produced from the seed. The second step is the plants grow. Third step, the plants produce flower. When the plants become adult, it can produce a flower. The fourth step is the flower produce fruits. The flower produce fruits, the fruit releases seeds. When the fruits get dry, are eaten by some animals and the seed are dispersed. The seed are dispersed and it can grow and germinates and the new life cycle begins. This is today's topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz.